So Annie and Mia Design recently sent me out this electric lunchbox, and today we're gonna do a really quick unboxing, but I'm also gonna do a heat test. I'm gonna show you exactly how quick it heats up and how hot it gets. So on the side here, they give you all the electrical information just in case you guys are curious. It is an 80-watt lunchbox, and they use PTC heating, which they say is apparently safer and more convenient. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the actual lunchbox. Not much inside of the box besides the actual product and a little user guide. If you guys watch this video, you guys shouldn't need that though. Let's go ahead and unwrap this, and there might be some more items in the lunchbox actually. All right, so to open it, we're gonna open all of these tabs on all of the sides, and sure enough, we get a bunch more compartments inside of here. We get our power cable here. So this could be plugged into your normal house or a car. So that's a really nice touch. And I could see this being useful for people that drive trucks for a living as well, just in case you're trying to actually have a warm lunch someday. So here's a little container slash baggie to actually put the lunchbox in. It has this really reflective material on the inside that's amazing for insulation. We have a compartment here for silverware, seasonings, napkins, whatever you guys need, and it's just a pretty simple bag. Now up top, we get a little compartment here for our silverware, and we have a little mini fork and a spoon, and they are indeed metal, so that's a really sweet touch. So it kind of has like a crock pot design here. So here is the main component, and then we have this metal tin. And because it comes out like this, it's super easy to clean. And here's where we would plug in the power adapters. We have two separate ones for either your house or your car power cable. It also does fold up, so it's really easy to keep that clean. And then here's the front control panel. It shows us what's going on. And we do even get this little side compartment here, so we could separate our food inside of this, which is a really nice deal. It's also just a very large size. It's definitely good enough for 1 to 2 people for a full meal. All right, so let's go ahead and plug this in, and we'll go ahead and do that heat test, and I'll show you how to turn it on. All right, so as soon as you guys plug it in, it automatically turns on. And basically this will heat up much quicker in this mode, but after it hits 158 degrees Fahrenheit, it will automatically swap to the keep warm mode, just so you're not wasting electricity. But I just plugged it in and I could already feel some of the heat coming out. And while that's heating up, I did want to show you guys what this tab here is for. This is actually going to be our steam vent. So it just pops out with this little rubber plug, and then you guys can have steam come out. Then you guys could shut it when you guys don't need it. So it's probably been under a minute since I've had this plugged in, and it is already up to 90 degrees. I'll move around, make sure that it's not hotter anywhere else, but I could feel the heat coming off of this. So it's definitely doing its job, and it's gonna heat up much quicker at the beginning and then just keep it warm after probably an hour and whenever your food gets up to temp. So of course, normally you guys would put this back on and you guys would make sure all of these are actually sealed, and that's how you guys would let it be to heat up your food. Once again, if you guys are in the car, just use this cable instead, and then you guys should have a nice warm meal on the road. So anyways, that's it for my super quick review and heat test of the Annie and Mia Design electric lunchbox.